If people keep crossing your boundaries, it doesn't mean you are weak. It usually means you have been trying to keep the peace at the cost of your own self respect. Let's talk about why this happened and how to change it. Boundaries aren't about control. Boundaries aren't about controlling other people. They are about communicating what you will and what you won't accept. When boundaries are unclear, people fill in the gaps themselves, and usually that doesn't work in your favor. Why you struggle with boundaries? Most people struggle with boundaries not because they don't know what they want. They struggle because they don't want to disappoint others. They don't want conflict. Or they don't want to seem difficult. So they stay quiet. And silence over a period of time becomes permission slowly. What happens when you don't set boundaries? When you don't set boundaries, resentment builds, self-respect fades. People get comfortable overstepping. And eventually, you don't feel respected, you feel disrespected, and you also feel invisible. Boundaries reveal, not ruin relationships. Setting boundaries doesn't ruin healthy relationships. It reveals them. People who respect you will adjust. People who benefit from you having none will resist. That reaction tells you everything you need to know. Boundaries starts with self-respect. You can't expect people to respect boundaries. You don't respect yourself. Boundaries are enforced by action, not explanation. You don't need to over-explain. You don't need to over-tell it. You need to be consistent. You don't need dramatic confrontation. Start small. Say no without guilt. Leave situations that drain you. Stop overgiving to earn approval. Calm, consistency speak louder than argument. You teach people how to treat you by what you tolerate, not by what you say. When you choose self-respect, you don't lose the right people. You lose the ones who benefited from you having none. Everything you need to build healthy boundaries is already in you. If you enjoy this topic, let me know in the comment. And please stay in tune to It Is In You TV.